Hello and welcome to a new video of Team Drives. Today we're gonna ride Fury in Bobbejaanland, a triple launch coaster from Curslower that opened in 2019. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. This coaster is also a little bit special because you can choose if you go forward or backwards.
Okay.
That's special.
Okay,
Yeah.
you can choose.
Yeah. So I hope you're gonna like the off rides and the on rides of this coaster, and we see you when we're coming off.
Ik kon wel kiezen. Ja. Die gasten daar weer al. Want na een tijd konden niet duwen.
So we're coming off Fury and we made few rides on it. How was your opinion about this one?
Nice.
Nice?
Very nice. Have everything. It's okay. It's not too long, but
It's a little bit short.
It's a little bit short.
But every good coaster is a little bit too short, I think.
Yeah, indeed.
I prefer the backwards session because you feel more powerful. You cannot see what's going to happen, so it's always a little bit of surprise.
Yeah.
The forward is also good, but I prefer the backwards session.
Yeah, you feel more powerful and push it, and for moments airtime.
Yeah, it's not a lot of airtime, but you have some few
I feel
airtime.
a lot of airtime. I
It's a little bit. It's a
I
little bit.
love it.
It's a little bit our time. But okay, it's really nice.
Yeah.
I love the launch coaster because I love launch coasters. So
Me not so much, but I can handle that. It's not
Yeah.
too
It's not too extreme.
It's not too extreme. Yeah.
no, I really like this coaster. Maybe I'm gonna do it later in the day also again.
Why not? Totally.
Of course.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, just put your thumbs up, put some comments in below, and yeah, just say what you think about this coaster also. So, ciao ciao.